Hi everyone. Hey, I'm really excited to share this new video with you. It's about a trader that lives here in the Toronto area, okay? And it's about this person's shocking no loss winning streak. So I'll tell you all about the winning streak, how many winners in a row. I'm going to actually give you the exact details of all the trades within this winning streak. So stay tuned. That's going to happen in just a few moments. And along with giving you all the results of this winning streak, which is absolutely amazing, guys, I'm going to also review some of the trades and provide you a very valuable lesson to take home with you. Okay? So once again, hi everyone, this is me right here. My name is Martin and I'm a proud Canadian trader. Glad to produce these videos for you, and I've been doing that for a number of years now using the YouTube channel. So thank you very much for staying with me. I have traders from all over the world, not only here from Toronto, Canada, but from all over the world as well. So thank you very much. And I'm the originator of the ABC free Forex Signals. Yes, I said free Forex Signals. And if you're interested in getting these free signals, then you've got to send me your email address. The reason is because that's how I send out the free signals, using your email. So I'm not going to sell your name or do anything crazy with your name. I'm not going to try to send them off to other marketers or anything like that. But that's how I do my business, guys. And if you want my free signals, you've got to send me your email address. Okay, now before I start with this presentation and reveal the mystery trader and all the results and all the details, I have my humble disclaimer. I do this for every video, and I want you to read this and understand this clearly. My free signal service is an educational program only. I'm trying to teach you how to trade and not give you any specific investment advice. Okay? Don't blame me if you lose all your money. You probably weren't paying attention to what I'm teaching you and from my videos, and you're not following my instructions. Remember, for now, you're trading on a demo account only with a maximum 1% risk of your account balance. So this is what I suggest. If you want to trade more, that's fine. But if you're a beginner, I want you to think about trading only with a maximum 1% of your account balance as a risk. Okay, so now, who is this mystery trader? Well, here's some details. The trades happen within 9 trading days, 18 winners in a row without any losses. So who is this? Who is this mystery trader? Well, I'm going to give you that information right now, guys. So pay attention, and I'm going to surprise you. Okay. Now, who is this winning trader? Well, it's me. Surprised? Well, you shouldn't be, because I do a lot of things besides giving you my free Forex trading signals. I run several different accounts and I do different things. And on another account, on another account, I have I took all my trades, again, based on the daily charts, and that something similar to what I was giving you for those people who are following me, or for those traders who have subscribed to my free trade signals. But I'm going to give you the exact trades I took, some details about it. And before I do that, I want to go over my regular system, my regular offer to all the new subscribers or the new people watching this video. Now, this is the results from 2020, okay? And I had started my free signals from October 7th and ended with the last free signal on December 16th. So again, this is for the new traders or the new people that want to subscribe to my program. I want you to understand that we had in total 19 trade signals, of which 14 were winners and 5 losses. That came out to almost a 74% winning ratio. Okay, so now this is based on end of day candles. Like, each candle is based on the daily time frame. So this is long-term trading. It's not getting in and out quick scalping or anything like that. So this is really, it's a really good winning ratio based on this style of trading, especially if you're a conservative trader. Okay, so I had one bad trade, and I want to just mention that I shouldn't have offered this trade. I didn't read my own signals correctly, but so without this one bad trade, if I had not given you this bad trade, then I would have, my winning ratio would have been up to about 78%. Okay, so there you go. Really, that's the important thing I want to discuss with you. That I'm striving to in the new year here, and striving to reach over 80% winning ratio based on daily candles. Again, it's not quick get in and get out quick. It's not intraday. It's not scalping or anything like that. I just want you to understand it's a very conservative way of trading where you open up a trade based on my trade recommendation or signal, and then you only look at your computer the next day after the candle closes, okay? And the closing of each candle happens at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's New York, 5 o'clock New York Eastern Standard Time. That's the close of our daily candles, and we use charts that reflect that New York close, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so having said that, this is for the new people that want to get in my program for 2021. Now, let's go directly to the trades I took, and I did a slightly different strategy, guys. Like I said, 18 winners in a row, and let's take a look, and here it is, okay? So this is trading history from December 21st to the 31st. So it's basically in the last week and a half before the end of the year. And these are the trades I took. And just to show you that they were in a row, I want you to take a look here at the very first trade. Okay, I had a loss of $103, so that was on this date here, December the 16th. But then after that, 18 winners in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you can see that all the way down here. So that is the incredible part, guys. I traded a little differently, but I want you to understand the methodology was using the daily charts again. I was waiting till the end of the daily candle to make a decision whether to take a trade or not. Okay, and so that is really important to understand. Again, this is not intraday or scalping or getting in and out quick. Again, it's a conservative approach. But the one thing I do want to add is that I used for me to determine whether a trade was high profitability or high percentage trade or not. High probability was I was using what's called the strategy of trading strong currencies against the weak currencies. Okay, so they're on the internet. There are all kinds of currency strength meters and things like that you can use, but I was doing a little bit differently, and in the future I'll maybe give you the strategy behind that, how to understand strong against the weak to help you trade and pick your currency pairs. So I'll do that in a future video, but not just now. Okay, but you can see the winners were really good here, and pretty high winners, 200, 300, 400, 500, uh, 600, 800, and so on. So now, mind you, my lot size was a lot larger, and there's a point to this video, guys. I don't expect all of you or to basically do exactly what I was doing here, and please don't figure out what I was doing, what my strategy was, or anything like that. Okay, just don't do that. Just take a look to see the overall results, because there's a point to me showing you this. There's a real reason I'm showing you this, not to show off or anything like that, but there's a real reason, and I'll be doing that at the end of this video. Okay, so here you can see, guys, take a look at this information here. I had a total profit of $5,637 in just those. I believe there were 9 trading days. Okay, so that's a pretty good profit there. Net profit after the expenses, and the expenses are the commissions. Right here you can see commissions, taxes, swap. Okay, so after this is the cost of doing business, right? So the profit was this, and after the cost of doing the business, the net result was $5,381, guys. Okay, right over there. Okay, and so that's really, really, really good money. Now, to start again, I was looking at the daily candle after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I was doing something a little different. Instead of waiting for the candle to close till the next day, I was actually watching the charts a little bit more than normal. Okay, and whenever I saw it was in a really good profit, I would close the trade, and then the strategy was re-enter the same currency pair, enter the same currency pair I had just exited, shortly after, on evidence that the pair would continue in the same direction or the same original direction. So if I originally entered a buy trade and then I would close it later on in a good profit, then I would look at re-entering again the same currency pair in the same direction, and in this case a buy trade. Okay, so that was the strategy for taking this, and that's how I got to the 18 trades in a row. Again, it's trend trading. I would never take reversal trades, and I was trading in the direction of the general trend, okay, using my algo as well. Okay, so that's important. So it wasn't another method. I do have an algorithm, and if you guys want to subscribe to my daily free signals, well, I'm sorry, it's not daily, but it's my free Forex Signals, and I use an algo for the signals. My algo gives me different signals that tells me a trade. There's a high probability that it will be successful. Okay. At the end of this video, again, we'll review how you can get these trade signals, but you got to give me your email. Okay. So that is that, guys. And I just want to go over one more thing. Just to reinforce my trading strategy. Here you can see as an example that I entered the Euro USD 3 times. First of all, it was based on the algorithm, okay, and my algorithm gives out arrows, which are the signals that I look to enter. And in this case here, we have a trend up. Okay, you can clearly see the trend is up. I actually entered, let me just take a look, right here with this blue horizontal line right here. That was my first trade entry for the Euro USD. You can go back to the previous slide. You can see when I did my first entry, right? Okay, and the trend was up, and so I was looking for a buy trade. Now again, why? What tells me that the trend is up and why you should be taking a buy trade, right? Take buy trades only. Well, take a look again here. We're making higher highs, we're making higher lows, we're making higher highs, we're making higher lows, higher high, and so it looks like the trend is going up and up and up. Okay, and again, here are the signals. You can see this white arrow, and I got in right there. Okay, so that was the first thing on this particular trade. I entered at 1.22256 right there, and then I got out and made another entry here, and then made another entry here. So I made 3 different entries. You can, again, go back to the previous slide and take a look, okay, at the details of the entries. Again, this one currency pair, the Euro USD, 3 different entries. Instead of holding on to a trade from here all the way up here, and by the way, this is where I finally exited my last trade. You see this red dashed line right there? So right there, that was where I exited the last trade, but instead of taking one trade and holding on to it, I took a trade, exited with a profit, took another trade, exited with profit again, took another trade, a third trade, exited again with profit. So I had 3 profits, and that was part of the strategy of how I accomplished the 18 winners in a row. Okay, so let me just take that off, and we're going to continue. We're going to continue and hear what's the important lesson? Like, what's the whole point? The whole point of showing you, I should say, showing you and everyone out there, all my viewers, what's the point of this, the 18 winners in a row, and what does that mean to you? Well, okay, first of all, I want you to understand it takes time to learn how to trade correctly. In fact, it could take forever. Many of you have been trading for years and years and years without being profitable. So if it could take you forever, if you try to do this on your own, most likely you'll lose all or most of your money and you'll give up. So in the end, you end up giving up and you've wasted a lot of time and effort and money on trying to be successful and you've just given up. Next, stop searching the internet. I can't emphasize this much more. You've got to stop searching for the perfect strategies and all the other gurus out there telling you how to trade. More knowledge is not always the answer. However, too much knowledge will only confuse you. I really want you to understand that. Next, find someone else who is successful and learn from him or her. Copying their success is not only necessary, but it's critical towards your success. So find a mentor online, okay, if you can find someone, and just copy what they're doing and follow their program carefully. Next, you can't skip the important first steps. Your hard work in the beginning sets the stage for building up your confidence. Confidence is one of the key building blocks needed if you want to trade any style you want. It's the confidence I personally have, that allowed me to trade and make 18 winners in a row. So confidence is one of the first things that you need to gain if you're ever going to gain success. Finally, and I really, for all those new people watching this video and some of the old students here that have been with me for a while, stick with me for 3 to 6 months. That is with my free Forex Signals program. So stick with me for 3 to 6 months and I'll make you a successful trader. All you have to do is watch me, follow my free trade signals, and learn the process. Okay, learning the process on how to become successful is the key. And part of that is building up your confidence. Okay, so that is what I really want to mention. That's the reason I'm showing you the 18 traders winning trades in a row. It's not because you ever have to strive for that, but once you learn through my program, the free Forex Signals, you're going to gain the confidence to be able to train to trade with confidence, not be afraid to take trades, and things will just fall in place. And hey, you may be as good or even better than I am. Okay, so finally, to get my free signals, if you want my free trade signals, send me your email address. That's the only way I can get them out to you. Okay, so you've got to send me your email address. I'll put you on my VIP list and send your email with your name. And guys, give me your first and last name and tell me where you're from. What part of the world are you from? I'm really interested in knowing that. So you send it right here to my email address, mskyj007@gmail.com. Okay, so that's pretty well wraps it up, guys. Happy New Year. Really, we've got to look at ways of kicking this COVID virus to the curb. Get vaccinated. Okay, let's stay safe until we get vaccinated, and I wish each and every one of you a fantastic and joyous and safe Happy New Year. And I'm glad that you're enjoying your time with your family and friends and the people you love. So take care. This is me saying goodbye. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe at the bottom of this video. Click on the like, and you can give me a comment. I'll make sure that that I will get back to you. Make sure you click on the bell icon, because this is the way that that my brand new videos get into your inbox. So take care, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.